Hey guys, it's Megan Kathier, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let's do another makeup vlog. So we are gonna play with the ColorBoard Beauty Glazed. This one. So on my previous makeup vlogs, nagamit na po natin yung mga kulay. Yung yung orange and red tone, the blue one. And then now let's try to play with the purple lavender hues, this one. Ayan. So let's start. Okay, first things first, i-prep ninyo yung face ninyo, maghilamos kayo, maglagay kayo ng serum or moisturizer first, and then after that, ilagay natin yung ating foundation primer or foundation base. So right now I have the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Next would be the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, this one. And this one is water-based, so it's convenient and mas hiyang siya sa kutis ko kasi hindi ako nagkakaroon ng mga creases. Using this one, it's very light, unlike the oil-based foundation na talagang thick yung consistency niya at saka talagang nagmumukha ka. Yung sinasabi nila na parang icing sa cake, yun yung itsura ko kapag ginamit ko yung oil-based. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. Next, let's put the concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. And then we're gonna bake our face again, especially this line here, right here, at saka dito. Kasi dyan yung nagkakaroon tayo ng creases kapag lumingiti tayo or gumagawa tayo ng facial expressions. Maganyan, maganon. Dyan yung part na kapag natuyo yung foundation at saka concealer natin, nagkakaroon siya ng mga guhit-guhit. So let's bake it para i-absorb nito yung moisture doon sa foundation and concealer natin. Now let's do the eyes while all of these are setting. So let's do the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Ito po yung ilalagay natin as our eyeshadow base para mas dumikit yung kulay ng eyeshadow na ilalagay natin. Now let's play with our eyeshadow palette. And let's use the purple hue on this one, yung purple board niya. So ito yun yung pinakahuli. And it looks like this one. So I'll try to achieve the style na talagang gusto kong i-master, which is the cut crease. Yun. So tingnan natin kung ma-achieve ko na naman siya with this vlog. So we'll see. Ayan, so nilagyan na natin yung outer part ng eyelids natin, ng kulay na gusto natin ilagay. And now, I'm trying to achieve the cut crease look on this one. So, ang ilalagay ko is yung concealer. Ito. Ilalagay ko siya dito para kumbaga i-clear out natin yung kulay dyan at maging solid line yung kulay na nasa outer part. And then malinis or glittery yung nandito sa gitna. So, tingnan natin kung ma-achieve natin. Ayan, so nagkaroon na siya ng linya dyan sa taas. Ibig sabihin, hanggang dyan yung lilinisin natin. And then, ito po, nakikita ninyo, may parang excess dahil dyan, dumikit yata sa pilik mata ko, but it's okay. We can still clean it out and then add more color to that. So, let's start. So, nalagay na natin at saka na-clear na natin yung gitna. Let's just try to fill in, lalo na ito na nalagpasan natin kanina. So, yan yung cut crease. Nilagyan ko na siya ng contour, tsaka linya. Parang gusto kong maglagay ng glitter. But, alam ko hindi ko to nagustuhan talaga sa previous na review ko, this one. Ito, ano yan, glitter yan. Kasi malalaki talaga yung mga dust niya. And, obvious na obvious siya. At saka, marami siyang mga spaces na hindi niya ma-fill in. But, for this vlog, I don't have any other purple glitter, so let's just try it out for this one. Ayan, tulad ng sinabi ko, hindi nga siya talaga maganda. Talagang patsi-patsi. But I already put it in, so i-equal ko na lang sa kabila. But yeah, it's really not a very good glitter palette for this one. Itong project ko na to, nasira ko na dahil ginamit ko pa rin yun. But let me find something na pwede kong cover for that one. Ayan, so hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-explain. Pero yeah, kung sakali man na lumabas kami ngayon, hindi ako talaga lalabas na ganito yung itsura ko. It's really not looking good. At saka talagang I'm on a dead end with this one. I can't fix it or I can't remove it anymore kasi kumapit na siya talaga dun sa concealer na nilagay ko. So unless talagang burahin ko lahat and I'll start all over, there's no going back with this one. So, ayun. Idaan na lang natin sa natural na ganda. Ano po? Charot. So, yun sa mata. Let's just finish up with the rest of the makeup for our face. Alright guys, so this is our final and finished product. Do you guys like it? Do you guys love it? Kasi ako, 50-50 sa resulta nitong ginawa ko. I do love the purple eyeshadows, yung darker ones, at saka yung mga nilayer ko na kulay. Except lang talaga, yung nakasira lang talaga ng aura na to is yung glitter na nilagay ko. Ayan, nakikita ninyo. Para siyang cheetah print. Kung titingnan nyo dyan sa camera. Nagpatsi-patsi siya dyan. At saka hindi na siya matanggal kasi nga kumapit na siya sa concealer na nilagay ko. So tinuloy-tuloy ko na lang. Tinry kong i-cover up with the pink glittery metallic eyeshadow, this one. Pero talagang it stood out talaga kasi nga glitter siya. Pero other than that, it still looks nice for me. Okay naman, ignore ko na lang yung glitters. And so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell button para naman notified kayo sa mga bago kong ina-upload na mga vlogs. Again, this has been Cathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!